Welcome. Today we're going to solve an important grade 10 trigonometry question step by step. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to find sine, cosine, and tangential with confidence. Let's carefully read the question. We are given the three side lengths of a right-angled triangle, and we need to find the exact values of sin A, cosine A, and tangent A. First, let's draw the triangle to visualize the problem. Since angle B is our 90-degree right angle, the side directly opposite it, AC, is the hypotenuse. The remaining sides are AB and BC. Since we are finding the ratios specifically for angle A, the side directly across from it, BC, is our opposite side. The side next to it, AB, is the adjacent side, and AC remains our hypotenuse. Now, we will bring in our three basic trigonometric formulas. Remember, sine equals opposite divided hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tangent equals opposite divided by adjacent. Let's calculate sine A first. Our opposite side is 15, and our hypotenuse is 17. Substituting those values gives us our first answer. Sine A equals 15 over 17. Next up is cosine A. The adjacent side, 8, is 8, and the hypotenuse is 17. Putting those into our formula, cosine A equals 8 over 17. Finally, let's find tangent A. Tangent is the opposite side divided the adjacent side. Plugging in our values, tangent A equals 15 by 8. And there you have it. Here is our final summary. Sine A is 15 over 17, cosine A is 8 over 17, and tangent A is 15 over 8. Here is a quick exam tip. Always label sides explicitly before touching a formula to avoid silly mistakes. Now, pause the video and try this practice question on your own to test your skills. You've got this.